Hey everyone, this is Artur, CEO of VisualSitemaps, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of our new flows. So let's get started. To start, we have an infinitely zoomable, panable canvas. On the left, you have the main components, such as shapes. There's about 9 of those. Connectors, text, image, wireframes, and sections. Each shape comes with optional fast connectors. These are excellent for making sitemaps very quickly on the fly, or optional user flows in just seconds. Our connectors come in 2 shapes, Bezier and Smooth Step. Each one has 3 distinctive styles: outline, animated, and fill. Colors and arrowheads can also be changed as needed. They also have their own labels, which can be adjusted in size. Our text objects have basic formatting and colorization and alignment. With our image component, you can upload everything from animated GIFs to SVGs to PNGs and copy everything from your clipboard, paste it in, or easily drag and drop. Our wireframe component offers you over 57 different thumbnails that you can choose from. Each one is easily modifiable with labels and easily colorizable. The sections components are flexible visual containers that know when objects are inside of them, making it really easy to move things around and keep things together. They have 2 text and style flavors. They can also be made to be inside each other. Now let's take a look at the global options. We have something called smart connectors. Now what makes these really amazing is that they can allow you to fluidly reposition your nodes and maintain the connections to the nodes quite elegantly. Very powerful, very effective. And these are optional. If you want to be much more specific as to where the connectors go, then you're going to have to turn off that feature, and that way it'll retain the position all the time. And last but not least, we have light mode for those who want a slightly brighter view.